was a girl called Jaimie. She lived with her mother, and they were very poor indeed.
Oh, woe of misery, for they were poor as poor could be. But worse than that was yet to fall, their cow would give no milk at all.
Oh no, this cow is not giving any milk. She's not with a bean. I'm afraid we can't afford to keep her.
It's not my fault. They can't afford to water the ground, so there's no grass to eat.
We'll have to sell her. Jaimie, take it to the market and make sure you get a good price. Haggle if you must. No worries, I'll haggle.
So Jaimie took the cow along to the marketplace.
And on the way, Jaimie met a woman, a sneaky one who hatched a plan. She practiced magic, so they say, and aimed to get the cow that day. That's a fine-looking cow. Yes, but she's not giving any milk, so she's not with a bean.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, no, you're not. I'll tell you what, I'll give you 2 beans for her. 2 beans? That's not enough. You said she wasn't worth a bean. Well, that's what Mom said, but I reckon she's worth 7 beans.
That's too cheap.
Quiet. I'll give you 3. 6, 4, 5. Okay, 5 beans.
I guess that's okay.
But I'm not sure that Mom will be happy with beans for the cow. But these are magic beans. Your mom will be over the moon. Come on, cow.
So Jaimie went home to her mom.
When Jaimie got home, she said to her mom, I've haggled well, so don't look glum. But when she showed her what she'd got over the moon, she was not.
5 beans! 5 beans! But they're magic beans. Magic beans. I'll give you magic beans. Just watch them disappear. Now there's no money, so there's no dinner.
Her mom had thrown those beans outside, and now a beanstalk growing in mud grew from the ground to way up high. In fact, it reached up to the sky. So Jaimie went to bed without any dinner, and she was so hungry. In the morning, her room was very dark, much darker than usual. She got up and looked outside the window.
Jaimie started climbing the beanstalk. Up and up she went, and soon she was up in the clouds. She found a road. She walked along it until she reached a house with a huge house with a huge woman at the front door.
Excuse me, could you give me some breakfast, please? I didn't have any dinner last night. Well, since you're polite and said please, I'll give you some breakfast, so come in. But you must eat quickly. My husband's due home. Oh, thank you. You'd better hide. My husband must not find you.
Just as Jaimie finished breakfast, she heard some very loud, heavy footsteps.
And with that, she pushed Jaimie into a cupboard.
The ogre found his stiff and looked around.
Fee, fi, fo, fum, I cannot smell anyone. Fee, fi, fo, fum, I cannot smell a thing. Go!
Oh dear, you do not sound very well.
I'm not.
Never mind, here's some breakfast for you.
Humph!
The ogre had a cold, you see, which made him grumpy as could be. His sense of smell was very lame, a very lucky thing for Jaimie. After his huge breakfast, the ogre called to his hen.
Lay! That's the way. 1 golden egg.
A golden egg.
Perhaps we need another one. This lady has been spending a lot of money on food lately.
Wonder why that would be.
No idea! Lay!
Not again. This is hard work. Well, what the chuck?
Oh, I might have to snooze now.
Whoa, who are you? Someone who's not supposed to be here. I'm going home now.
How about taking me with you? Life's pretty horrible here.
A chuck that lays golden eggs wants to come home with me? Great idea. Let's go.
Oh, what's going on?
The ogre ran, he puffed, he cursed.
For Jaimie had reached the beanstalk first.
And climb on down, the ogre stopped.
For Jaimie had just cut off the top.
Ogre saw Jaimie and the hen run away. He raced after them.
Jaimie ran back towards the beanstalk.
Curse! I can't get down!
The ogre couldn't reach the beanstalk because Jaimie kept chopping it down as they went. They finally reached the bottom when Jaimie's mom came outside.
Where have you been?
I've been up the beanstalk and I've got news for you. This chuck will make us rich.
You sell a cow for 5 beans and now you say this chuck is going to make us rich?
Yep, just watch this. Could you lay another egg, please?
That will make it 3 times today, but all right.
What the? Where's the golden egg?
Don't ask me, I just do the laying. It must be different down here.
What do you mean, golden egg?
Up there, this chuck was laying golden eggs.
Really? But Jaimie, eggs are like golden anywhere. You can do so many things with eggs and we can sell them too. Eggs really will make us rich.
I don't understand.
Eggs can be boiled or poached and fried or scrambled as omelets and served on the side. Use them in cakes or souffles too, or cook them outside on the barbecue. Hard-boiled eggs are a great little trick, and egg yolks or custard will make them thick. And use up the egg whites you have left over, just add some sugar and make a pavlova.
Wow, eggs are wonderful.
And chooks are wonderful because they produce the eggs.
Ooh, I've never been called wonderful before.
Then the hen was happy because Jaimie and her mom were much nicer than the ogre, and laying ordinary eggs was quite easy. Jaimie and her mom was happy because they did so well selling eggs they were able to buy their cow back.
As for the ogre and his wife, they weren't happy at all. The ogre had a lot of explaining to do.
So Jaimie was happy her